Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us today. On this channel, we dive deep into everything beauty related, from skincare to makeup and everything in between. So if you're a fan of all things beauty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more insightful reviews and tips. Now let's talk about the product we're reviewing today, the Sigma Beauty Basic Eye Makeup Brush Set. This kit includes 7 premium brushes designed to help you create everything from a natural daytime look to a bold, smoky evening style. This brush set promises to be a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their eye makeup game. The brushes are made with premium synthetic fibers that are cruelty-free, soft, and dense, making them suitable for sensitive skin. The set comes with a sleek design and durable polymer-based handles with precious metal plating that looks chic while promising longevity. Included in the set are 7 essential brushes: an E38 diffused crease brush, an E55 eyeshadow brush, an E15 flat definer brush, an E70 medium angled shading brush, an E30 pencil brush, an E65 small angled brush, and an EZO5 eyeliner brush. Having spent some time testing these brushes, I can share that they live up to their promise of creating smooth, flawless eye looks. The bristles are incredibly soft to the touch, but they are firm enough to blend and define products like a pro. One thing I really liked is how well the E55 eyeshadow brush picks up pigment and applies eyeshadow with minimal fallout. For more intricate tasks, the E15 flat definer brush made sharp, precise eyeliner application a breeze. I also used the E30 pencil brush to blend out my lower lash line, and it delivered excellent control without being too harsh on my skin. The brushes overall have a balanced feel, neither too heavy nor too light. The handles are sturdy and provide a comfortable grip, which is important when you're working in the delicate eye area. They don't feel flimsy at all, even after consistent use, which is a definite plus for longevity. Now, as with every product, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the brushes do perform well, they might not be the ideal choice for those on a budget. At a higher price point, they may be out of reach for some beginners who are just starting to build their makeup collection. Also, although these brushes are great for their intended purpose, they may not cover every possible eye makeup need. For example, there's no blending brush in the set, specifically designed for softer, more diffused looks. When considering value for money, you do get high-quality brushes with this set, but keep in mind that similar sets can be found at lower prices. Brands like Real Techniques or Morphe offer budget-friendly alternatives that still provide decent performance. But if you're someone who values durability, quality materials, and an overall luxury experience, this Sigma set definitely delivers on those fronts. When compared to similar brush sets, Sigma stands out with its high-end feel and superior quality fibers. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, those budget-friendly brands can serve up a similar functionality, though they won't last quite as long. The brushes themselves are built to last, with strong, polymer-based handles and high-quality bristles. There's no question about their longevity with proper care. If you follow the cleaning recommendations using Sigmagic brush shampoo or an approved brush shampoo, the brushes should hold up well over time. Customer service with Sigma is known to be reliable and responsive, but I didn't have any personal interactions with their support team during testing. That said, the company has a solid reputation for standing behind their products. If you're still on the fence about whether this set is the right one for you, I'd say it's an excellent choice if you're looking to invest in brushes that are both durable and high quality. That being said, if you're just getting started or don't want to spend as much, there are more affordable alternatives that still get the job done. To wrap up, the Sigma Beauty Basic Eye Makeup Brush Set is a premium option for those who are serious about eye makeup and want tools that are built to last. With 7 essential brushes and a sleek design, it performs well and offers a professional feel. If you're willing to invest in higher-end makeup tools, this set won't disappoint. Now, is this review useful to you? If it helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others in the beauty community can also find this review. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried these brushes or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments box below. I love hearing from you all. Until next time, keep your beauty game strong and your brushes even stronger.